Hi students. In last class we have seen the introduction, advantages of cement concrete and uses of concrete in comparison to other building material. Now we will see the ingredients of cement concrete. We required cement, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, water and admixture. Cement in sense we are available in a 50 kg of bag cement. Coarse aggregate, artificial stone which are quarried from the mountains. Fine aggregate like river sand or river sand. Water admixture like plasticizer, super plasticizer and retarders. First we will see the cement. Cement is defined as the product manufactured by burning and crushing to powder at intimate and well proportioned mixture of calcareous and aggregaceous material. Cement is manufactured in variety of forms these days. The cement which is generally used for preparing concrete is ordinary Portland cement (OPC), but for special purpose other qualities of cement such as low heat cement, rapid hardening cement, high alumina cement, white cement, blast furnace slag cement, sulfate resisting cement, etc. are also used. The selection of particular type of cement to be used manufacture of concrete depends upon the following factors: the required strength of the concrete structure for high scalpers, the type of structure, the condition under which the construction of structure is to be taken place. Grades of cement. We can see the grades of cement. Ordinary Portland cement is the most important type of cement, the commonly used general purposes Portland cement in India. It is branded as 33 grade, 43 grade and 53 grade. It's having 28 days mean compressive strength of the exceeding 33 megapascals, 43 megapascals and 53 megapascals respectively. All the three grades of ordinary Portland cement are produced from the same material. You can see 33, 43 and 53 grade concrete, MPa in sense megapascals. Okay, its compressive strength. We can see here the physical properties of the cement. Physical properties: fineness. Only we need names. This can be written in a general words: fineness, soundness, setting time, compressive strength, heat of hydration, law of ignition and specific gravity. Fineness or particle size of a Portland cement affect rate of hydration, which is responsible for the rate of strength gain. Soundness refers to the ability of hardened cement paste to retain in a volume after setting time. Consistency of a cement paste refers to its ability to flow of the concrete. Normal consistency pastes are required to prepare for setting time specimens. Like VCAT apparatus are used to determine the consistency of the cement. Setting time. In the these all properties we can see in the laboratory tests. Okay, setting time. Initially setting time is the time elapsed for the instance of adding water until the paste causes to behave fluid or a plastic. The initial setting time of the cement is nearly about 30 minutes. Compressive strength of a cement is tested by 50 mm mortar cubes made by using standard sand and cured in a prescribed way. It should be reported as a 3 days or 7 days or 28 days strength. We are seeing for 3 days, 7 days and 28 strength. Heat of hydration. The heat is generated during the reaction of a cement and water is known as heat of hydration. When we add water to the cement, the reaction takes place. This is known as a heat of hydration. Okay. Loss of ignition. A cement sample of a known weight is heated between 900 to 1000 degree centigrade until a constant weight is obtained. The weight loss of the sample due to the heat is determined. A high loss of ignition more than 3% indicates prehydration and carbonation, which may be due to inappropriate storage of adulteration. Specific gravity. Specific gravity is generally required in a mixed proportion for concrete. The specific gravity of ordinary Portland cement is assumed as 3.15. Okay, what we have studied first initially, ingredients of cement concrete: cement, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, water and admixture. First we are seeing the cement. What are the what are the grades of the cement we have seen, and how the cement is manufactured. It is manufactured by burning and crushing of the powder intermediate. Okay. For the cement, physical properties are fineness, soundness, consistency, setting time, compressive strength, heat of hydration, loss of ignition and specific gravity. The specific gravity of the cement should be 3.15. okay. Next further we will study the tests of cement, laboratory tests of the cement. What are the tests we can do in the laboratory tests. After that we will see the how the coarse aggregate is carried from the mountains, how the fine aggregate is taken from the rivers, and what should be, which type of water should be used for the concrete, and what are the admixtures. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Thanks for watching the video, and I will send the PDF of these notes. You write in the OneNote notebook. Okay, thank you.